Welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to show you how to create bulk messages, bulk posts. All right, like if you have Facebook or Instagram where you make your post every day, instead of you going in every day to create posts day by day, I'm going to show you how to create about 100, 50, any number you want in one time. Maybe you are doing motivational quote post or doing prayer post, post, or doing any particular post you're doing on Facebook or Instagram, right? I'm going to show you how to create them, make it about 100 or how many number you want in one time with ChatGPT and Canva. You're going to create wonderful posts, post them on your social media, maybe 2 times every day or 3 times every day, depending on what you want. But you can create about 100 of them, 200 of them one time with ChatGPT and Canva. Let's go. Open your Canva, type tweet. You can choose any template of your choice. I'm going to choose this particular one for the sake of this tutorial. Then you click customize. All right, then you have to wipe the name there, then put your social media handle name, the handle. All right, then you have to go to take your picture or your profile picture, any picture at all. Then you drag it to the template. Then you drag it a little bit smaller. All right, then you have to drag to the picture there before, so it will match here. Then you go to ChatGPT. All right, I told ChatGPT to create a motivational quote. Then you tell ChatGPT to convert it to CSV file. Convert to CSV file. Already converted already, so I have to download right now. Download already. Download to your system. We need it when we're trying to do the bulk, because this is the only file you can use to do bulk creation in Canva. All right, we go back to, then you go to ChatGPT and copy the first quote. Then you come here, you wipe this one, you paste this one. All right, because from this is where you're going to create the other ones. Okay. All right. Then you choose any template, any font of your choice. Yeah, any one you like, that's okay by you. It's okay. All right. Now you go to apps. You type bulk create. Okay, you click it there. Then you go to your file, to your laptop, and bring the file we downloaded. Okay, now you go to connect data quotes. That's okay. We are done. See 40 quotes is here right now, different type of it. Okay, different type of it. Now you go for downloading. Either you download all of them into your laptop or into your phone, depending on the space you have on your phone, or you can download any number you want. Maybe if you want like 2 or 3, you can download them at once. Any number, because it's about 40 here. So maybe you can create 200, you can create 100. So any number you create, you know how to download it. This is the preview. Perfect. We have 40 of them right here, so we can do as we want. All right, thank you.